Hey dear code wranglers, welcome back to the channel where we take your HTML game from math to wow. Master that you can say dip. Today we are diving into the world of mighty dip, the Swiss army knife of HTML. It's like the duct tape of web development. It holds everything together but no one really appreciates it. So buckle up because by the end of this video you'll be using div so well that even your code will ask for an autograph. Ready to master the unsung hero of the web? Let's jump in. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, in today's full stack web development video, I am telling you about in the HTML what is the form attribute. So I know many people do not know what is the HTML form attributes, but I am not guarantee all the people do not know what is HTML forms attributes. So, but let me let me explain you. The chapter describes the different attributes for the HTML form element. And if you do not see my form element videos, I have already uploaded on my channel, so go and see it. The action attribute. The action attribute defines the action to be performed when the form is submitted. Usually, the form data is sent to a file on the server when the user clicks on the submit button. In the example below, here you can see it, the form data is sent to a file by the name of action_page.php. This file contains a server-side script that handles the form data. Click on submit, send the from data to action_page.php. So let's run this code. So first of all, let me make a one file on my Visual Studio Code by the name of index.html. Okay, so let me create the file. So let me open my Visual Studio Code and let me create a one new window in which I create a one file by the name of index.html. And I have saved this file. So now when I save it and when I come on my file explorer and when I open my documents and when I open my index.html, so here is coming John. If you click the submit button, the form data will send to a page called action.php. So why it is giving me the error? Because I did not download this type of file. So if you want to do this, so you only want to do it, come here, create a one file by the name of action_page.php and make this file on the same place where you make your HTML file. So now save and then save and now submit. So it is not giving the error, but what more information? Okay, it is going to the server. Okay, it is going to the server. It is downloading me. Here you can see it. It is going to the server. So like that, the form data will send to a page called action_page.php. But it will not show you because the PHP is a one server-side language, so it will not open your these type in browsers like Google Chrome and Safari, but it will be stored in your server. Okay, so that's why it is not opening. I understand it. If the function now let me give the one tip. If the action attribute is omitted, the action is sent to the current page. The target attribute. The target attribute specifies where to display the response that is received after submitting the form. The target attribute can have one of the following values. First, blank. The response is displayed in a new window or tab. This is the work of the blank value. Number 2 value is _self. It is the response is displayed in the current window. Number 3 _parent. The response is displayed in the parent frame. This is the one description of it. Now number 4 is come like _top. Now its description is the response is displayed in the full body of the window. Then come frame name. The description is the response is displayed in the named iframe. The default value is _self, which means that the response will open in the current window. Here my submitted result will open in the new browser tab, okay, but it will not show you when I run this, but it will be not open. Why? Because like I've told you, the server-side language will be not open in the browsers. The server-side language only open in the servers, okay, and there are many servers. If you want to download, so download. Okay, and there is a it is giving me the network error, which type of, okay, I understand. Okay, that it is saying me it is removing the Google Chrome. Why? Because the Google Chrome will be in the Google Chrome, the action underscore page.php file will not run, because like I have told you, this PHP file is only run on the server, okay, not in browsers. The method attribute. The method attribute specifies the HTTP method to be used when you are submitting the form data. The form data can be sent as URL variables with method equals to get, or as HTTP post transaction with method equals to post. The default HTTP method when you are submitting form data is get. In this example, this example uses the get method. Here you can see it when you are submitting the form data. Here you can see it. Here this example is using the get method. Okay, here you can see it. So let's run this. So in this example, we are using, if you click the submit button, the form data will send to a page called action equals to page.php. Okay, no, sorry, why? Okay, okay, why it is not running? Let me save and then run. So let me close this file and let me create a let me open my file one more time. Where is the file? Where is the file? Okay. After you submit the notice that the form value is visible in the address bar of the new browser tab. This form will be submitted using the get method. This form we are submitting using the get method. Using which method? Using the get method. Okay, so let me save it and run it. So here you can see now it is opening. Okay, why now it is opening? Because we use the get method. Using get method you will be open it. Okay, so now it has been opening, and why when we click on the submit, this type of thing has been coming, because in that file we write this thing. If I write first name John, last name Doe, save and then run. So here you can see the first name, last name. When you submit, so here it's coming first name, last name, Doe. So here you can see like that, all the thing will be stored in server. Like if you log in your any website, so then your first name and last name and your email will be stored at the server. Okay, so this type of thing, for your last name, your first name, your email will be stored in the server. The example uses the post method when you are submitting the form data. This one you can use the post method to submitting the data also. Okay, so like that you can use the post data also. Now, notes on get. First, append the form data to the URL in name value pairs. Number 2, never use the get to send the sensitive data. The submitted form data is visible in the URL. Number 3, the length of a URL is limited to 2048 characters, only 2048 characters. Number 4, useful for form submissions where a user wants to bookmark the result. Then number 5 means it gets a good for non-secure data like query strings in Google. Notes on post. Append the form data inside the body of HTTP request. The submitted form data is not shown in the URL. Number 2, post has no size limitation and can be used to send large amounts of data. Number 3, form submission with post cannot be bookmarked. Tip: always use the post if the form data contains sensitive or personal information. So here you can see in today's video we talk about in the HTML what is the form attributes. So if you enjoyed this video, so like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. Never miss our these type of videos on our full stack web development. So now let me keep the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's move toward under big screen and let's get the outro of this video. There you have it, folks. The power of humble dev. It's not just a box, it's the box that makes the internet happen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, because let's be real, you will need more laughs and code tips in your life. Until next time, keep coding, keep laughing, and remember, dev doesn't just divide, it conquers. See you in the next one. So for today, goodbye.